자꾸 먹고 싶으면 전부 다 그렇길래 어떻게 난 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당게 오더라도 눈물일래 나 왜 기다리고 있는지
Thai fried. It's not Thai! Taiwanese! Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese fried chicken. So I had this while I was experiencing Taiwanese street food in Taipei, Taiwan. And they had this like little small fried chicken bites with fried basil. Oh my. It was so delicious, so I wanted to share this recipe with you guys. So it's very simple. To start this recipe, you need to marinate the chicken first, and this is how I did it. In a mixing bowl, go ahead and add the fermented bean curd. You will need just one small cube for this recipe. You can find this fermented bean curd from Chinese or Taiwanese market very easily because this is very common ingredient for them. I also put the link down below where you can find online, so you can definitely go ahead and get this for the recipe. And yeah, this is where all the funky deliciousness, that flavor is coming from, so it's a must. Smash down bean curd with a spatula, then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of Seonkyoung wine, Chinese cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 3 cloves garlic that chopped, and mix all the sauce first. Then finally add 1 pound of chicken. So I'm using chicken thigh, but you can use the chicken breast as well. So it's totally up to you. You can mix a half and half. Just make sure to cut them into about 1-inch cubes, so it can be just one bite. Mix everything together. Cover the plastic wrap. Marinate in the refrigerator at least 2 hours to overnight. So my chicken is already marinated right here. I've been picking up my Thai basil. So this is the kick for this recipe, okay? So you can use regular basil if that's the only basil you can find, but Thai basil is a little more licorice. I just love the smell of it, and you just need a handful of it, okay? I've been heating my frying oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use a canola or peanut oil as well, to 350 degrees. I've been heating up. So into the marinade chicken, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sweet potato starch, or sometimes it's called sweet potato flour or sweet potato powder. Every brand calls it a little differently, but there is one that is coarse like this, and this is what you want. But if you cannot find this coarse texture one, just like a super fine thin ones works as well. You can find this obviously in the Chinese or Taiwanese market, but if you cannot find it, I will put the link down below where you can find online. Coat the chicken pieces with sweet potato flour all evenly by just mixing it. Now I'm going to drop my chicken to 350 degrees preheated oil one by one, and make sure not to crowd the oil, otherwise the chicken will not turn out crispy. So just let's make sure that. And if you're not sure about the oil temperature, just go ahead and drop a wooden chopstick, and the bubble, that's what you want. I know they look a little pale, but no worries, because we are going to double fry them. That's why I'm taking them out right now. We don't want them to too brown at this moment. And I'm placing the chicken on a baking pan that I lined with cooling rack. Now, this is a little technique. So you want to fry up the chicken as one portion that you're gonna serve, because the second fry, we are going to fry the basil together, okay? So you need to watch out really well. Don't fast forward this part of this recipe video. Watch it closely. I'm going to drop half of the fried chicken into the oil. Fry about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alrighty. And now, get your lid ready. grab a handful of basil, drop it, move it. 5 seconds later, it's done. Taiwanese fried chicken looks amazing. So the one last touch we left is this little sprinkle. And this is a mixture of 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder, half teaspoon of white pepper, and quarter teaspoon of cayenne or paprika. I use a paprika. This is pretty much for the color. If you don't like spicy, use paprika. But if you want a little bit of kick, then go ahead and use cayenne. Okay? Just sprinkle right on top. I made a little extra, but it's okay. I can keep it, use it later. So yeah, guys, this is it. Taiwanese fried chicken, street style.
Oh my God, bless you. Sneak one in, sneak one in, sneak one in.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. Guys.
Mmm.
Wow. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
With basil.
Wait.
맛있어.
That's so good.
Well fried.
Yeah. Oh, where's my beer? That's perfect beer food.
Alright. So y'all tasted. We're not made the same exact recipe with chicken breast.
Yeah, she did a recipe testing. Chicken breast, thigh. I guess I'm a thigh man.
This is way better.
Like 1,000 times better.
Sorry, everybody keep going.
So much more flavor. Guys, if you liked my Taiwanese street food recipe, Guys, if you liked my Taiwanese fried chicken recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel
For more inspirations.
And idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung longest.
Oh, Jacob longest.
Hanyo Kim.
And this is Asian at home. And if you make my recipe, go ahead and take a picture or video. Tag me Seonkyoung longest on Instagram and Facebook, so I can reshare, comment, and like your photo. Okay, I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Notice whenever he says his name, he's always got food in his mouth. He has to cover
Yeah.
it. You gotta time that better. Or it just shows how good it is, and you can keep doing it.
Good.
Oh, good. We're about to.
This is different. Like, this is not what you made like 2 days ago.
이러고 혼자 먹는다?